Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bookwise channel. I'm Sangam, and today we're going to talk about how you can change your life in just 90 days. Whether you're in India, Nepal, or the USA, these principles apply to anyone who's ready to make real, lasting changes. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is set clear and specific goals. You can't achieve what you haven't defined. Break down your goals into clear, actionable steps. Write them down and commit to them. Make sure they're measurable so you can track your progress over the next 90 days. Next, prioritize your health. Health is the foundation for everything else. Exercise, eat well, and sleep properly. Good health will give you the energy to stay focused on your goals and help you maintain mental clarity. Success is built on daily habits. Create habits that lead you toward your goals. Whether it's reading, working on a project, or practicing a skill, consistency is what gets you closer every day. Small actions compound over time. Mastering your time is crucial. Identify how you spend your day and eliminate distractions. Create a structured schedule and dedicate time for focused work on your goals. Time is a resource you can never get back, so use it wisely. Finally, don't be afraid of failure. Learn to fail forward. Each failure is a lesson. The key is to keep going, learn from your mistakes, and adapt. The most successful people are the ones who keep moving forward despite setbacks. So those are the key steps to changing your life in 90 days. Set clear goals, take care of your health, build daily habits, manage your time, and embrace failure as part of the journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use this message. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're planning to change your life.